So in this session, we are going to discuss about the MS PowerPoint. So PowerPoint is a tool which helps you in preparing slides. In that slides, we can have any kind of information, right? Now, how to write a PowerPoint, how to prepare PPT PPTs we call. So how to prepare that? So first we'll click on the start button. Then we go for the all programs, then go for MS Office, then go for MS PowerPoint. While listening the class, you write the points, you write the steps, how we are opening the PowerPoint. Just select the PowerPoints. A window is opened. Here, this is a place you can write slides. So here, what you are seeing here, slide. So slide number 1. So like this, you can add any kind of slides to your PPT. So on a concept, you have to develop a PPT. So first I'm writing the title. So first impression is the best impression we call. So the first you have to write the title of your PPT. So I'm writing basics of PowerPoint I'm writing. So next subtitle you have to write here. Just click on this, prepared by, I'm writing mine. Right. So this is one slide, prepared by Bhargavi is one slide. Now, after creating one slide, in next slide, I want to create some other slides. So for that, you have a menu called insert. So in that home, sorry, not insert, home. In this home menu, as we have the options like Word, Excel, same options will be in the PowerPoint also. Now here what you have, new slide you have. Just click on this arrow button. Now you will get a different kinds of slides. So the first one indicates slide, that indicates subheading, main heading. The second one indicates title and the content. This one indicates section header. Next, this indicates two content. For example, if you want to make a difference between two pictures or two sentences or two themes or two topics, you have to use two contents. Then this is a same like the two content with the comparison also you can write. Just observe the difference here between two content and comparison. This is for title only. Next, this is a blank. This is a content with caption. So some other side you can write text. In this side you can write pictures, bar charts, pie charts, and etc. And we'll see how to add and everything and all. Who is writing that? Picture with caption. Here you can write it. Clear? Now I am going to take a next slide as this one. So what you are getting here? Click to add title and click to add text. So this is regarding what? PowerPoint. So this is regarding what? PowerPoint. So here regarding PowerPoint, if you add any text, that will be written. MS PowerPoint is a tool to develop PPTs, right? So MS PowerPoint saved with .ppt extension. So extension is nothing but how the file will be stored internally. That we call it as a extension. So like this, you can write the information. So this is the second slide. So in this way, now I want to increase the size. You can increase the size over here. If you want to make it color, you can make the color over here. If you want to make it bold, you can bold it here. Italic, you can write it here. Underline, you can write it here. Clear? So whatever the font style you want to change here, like in MS Word, you can also change it here. See. So everything is going to be changed here. And moreover, you can have a bullet points. For example, so if sub points I want to write under this, right? If I want to write sub points, I can write the numbers like this. So some number, some topic. See, automatically the numbers are coming if you are selecting that. I don't want numbers. I don't want numbers, I want some other symbols like this. So what you have to do, first you have to select the content, whichever you have, and then use this. For example, if I want this one, so there you'll get square boxes. So this one is bullets, dots, arrows. So like this, you can change this one. If I want to move this text to side, so you have an option here. So the text will be moved right side. Here the text will be moved to the left side. So this is in the middle. This is in the right side. So this is in the horizontal. So like this, you can have any number of options like this. Clear? So this is regarding this format option. Next, I want to insert a new slide. So new slide, text new slide. So which kind of slide you want? For example, I want this slide. Now I'm taking this slide. Here, I want to show the computer. So my next topic is computer. So what you want to add? If you want to add any text like this, so just click on write it over here. But once you write the text now, you cannot add any option of this. So this is what? This is to insert a table. Now I want to insert a table. For example, I want to insert a table with 4 columns and 5 rows. So like this, a table is going to be inserted. Now here I can write student number, next student name, right? Student group, next student year, which year he is studying. So like this, I can insert the table. I can have the student numbers and student details over here. So this is a way of inserting a table in the PPTs. If you want to change the colors and everything and all, here you can change it. And here we can also change the colors of shadings like black and blue, and every color you can change over here. If you want to apply borders, so you have to select all borders. So what it get? It is getting a border. For entire table, if you want to have a borders, so select all borders. So complete table you select first. Complete table you select first, apply all borders so that you will get a black lines between this. Clear? If you want to add a table, draw a table, you can draw a table. So this table also you can fill the colors and you can change the text and everything and all. So here you different options are there. You can add anything. For example, I want to draw this. You can draw this also. So if you want to change the color, see here, shape fill. You can change the color over here, right? So these are the options, the same options we have in the MS Word also. You have find and replace option. Find means what? For example, I want to find a word computer. So where the computer is in my thing, find next. So that will be highlighted over here. For example, basics I want. So in which slide I have written basics. So see, basics is coming here. So like this, you can use the find and replace option also, right? So I have created first slide, second slide, third slide. Now again, I want to insert a new slide. Now I'm inserting a slide, same slide I'm taking. Now I want to insert a picture from the available pictures of my system. So I want to insert a picture. For example, I want to insert this. So you have to select where your picture is. Now say insert. So what is happening? The particular picture is going to be inserted here, and you can change the color, background, shape, and everything of that. Clear? Next, I'm going to go for the next slide. That is, I'm taking two content. If you say two content, what you have here, you have to write a title. What is a title? Difference. Difference between personal computer and laptop. So I want to find the differences. So what we have to write? This side you have to write about the computer, PC, personal computer. This side you have to write about the laptop. Now here I want to insert a chart. So if you want to insert a chart also, you can insert. So that bar chart is going to be inserted. That means where you have this one For example, if you have the data in this, the bar chart will be like this. But we are first, for this we have to prepare the Excel sheet first. So మనం Excel sheet prepare చేసాం కదా college లో. So that Excel sheet bar chart, if you want to include here, just by doing this, just draw, copy paste the cells from the Excel sheet to here so that the diagram will be changed. For example, instead of that, I am writing here as I'm writing like this. So see here, the changes will come. So that will appear here. The changes are going to be appeared here. So in previous case, the diagram is where different. Now the diagram is different. Now close this Excel sheet. The table will come like this. For example, this side I want to insert a table or an image. For example, I want to insert an image of, I want to insert, there are no images in my system. So simply I'm making a copy of from the pictures only. Now I want to insert this one. Say insert. So like this, you can have two pictures or two differences or anything like this. You can have a differences. So ఇక్కడ కంప్యూటర్ గురించి రాయండి, కంప్యూటర్ ఇమేజ్ పెట్టండి. ఇక్కడ ల్యాప్టాప్ గురించి రాయండి, ల్యాప్టాప్ ఇమేజ్ పెట్టండి. సో లైక్ దిస్ యూ క్యాన్ యూజ్ ఎనీ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ స్లైడ్. అంటే మనకి ఎలాంటి పీపీటీ అవసరం అనుకుంటే అలాంటి దాని పర్టికులర్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ స్లైడ్ ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని you can do the PPT. Now here from the first slide, so all these slides are in a normal basic. Now I can apply the designs for this. So simple ga అనిపిస్తుంది కదా మనకి ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ designs రావాలి అంటే you have to select a option design. So in this design there are many kinds of differences. See here. Now I put here, so change for every slide. This is a slide, this is a slide, this is a slide. So if I select this design, that design will be applicable to all. If I select this, that design will be applicable to all. If I select this, that will be applicable to all. Not only this, we have many number of designs. You can also browse a design from anywhere also, right? But my most favorite theme is this one only. It looks very neat and official, right? Clear? So this is a way of that. In this also you can change the colors. The same pattern is there, but in this also you can change the colors of that also, right? Clear? And the next one is fonts. Which font you want to apply, that font also be to be applied here. And effects, what effects you want to add, whether the slide will come from the side and whether the slide will come from this side. So this, select the slide, select effect. Now this come, select the slide, effect, I'm selecting this one. Next select the slide, effect, and this one. I'm selecting different effects for that. Now where this effect will be useful, this effect will be useful when you show your presentation, right? The next one is animations. So animation in the sense the slide will blink like this. This is the next slide, this is the next one. In this way the slide will come, in this way the slide will come. So in this way the slide will come. So which way you want to represent the slides, we have many kinds of slides. So మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా వీడియోస్ కెమెరామ్యాన్స్ ఏం చేస్తారు, ఇలాంటి స్లైడ్స్ యూజ్ చేసి మనం ఏదైనా ఫొటోస్ కావాలి అంటే ఇట్లా డిఫరెంట్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ తో వాడతారు. క్లియర్? సో దిస్ ఈస్ అ ట్రాన్సాక్షనల్ సౌండ్. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు హ్యావ్ ఎ సౌండ్, the sound will also come, arrow sound, breeze sound, like that, right? Now next, automatically after, so when a mouse click, there are two options are there. After displaying one slide, if you want to get another slide, when you click on the mouse, then only the next slide will come. So here the option is ticked as what? On mouse click. Now here you have an option called slideshow, right? So custom slideshow, custom shows. So new one you want to add, you want to display all the slides, then select add, then select add, then select add, then select add, then select add. Okay, show. See here. So if you click on the mouse, then only the next slide will come. Clear? This is a way of creating. Now next, instead of doing this all, if I press F5 button on the mouse, then directly the show will come. Slideshow will come. F5 button on the mouse. So no need of going for custom slide. If I apply animation like this, so for select animation for every slides, you will have a change. Now go for slideshow. See here. That sound is arrow sound. Why? Because press enter button so that the next slide is coming in this way. Now, if I want to show, I don't want to click on the mouse. Simply after every 1 second, I want to get it. Now, if you press F5 button, see, without clicking any mouse button, after 1 second, the next slide will come. Now, I'm not clicking any mouse button. After 1 second, after 1 minute, the next slide will come. Right? Is it clear? So that means here you have to set the time. Next is slideshow. You can set up the slideshow for from where to where you want to display, on which color you want to display and everything and all. Next, this is a review option. So if you want to add any comment, you can add it. This is a view option. In which way you want to see all the slides or some slides or no slides at all. Now, in animations, in a slideshow, now I'm displaying slideshow. Now in this slideshow, you are having options like this here. So this is a pen. That means with this pen, you can write anything like this. If you want to explain about like that, you can write anything on the information here. I can also change the pen color also, ink color and this. So if you want to have the next slides like this, you can create. If you want to do the changes, keep, otherwise discard. Now after completing that, just click on the save and save option you have to do and just say save. Is it clear?